blah, blah, blue, blue, blue. It's that time, guys. It's that time of the year. It's that time of the year. I'm gonna tell everyone I'm streaming Claustra. What up, dude? Today I'm gonna be coding a lot of stuff because my old code's really bad, so I'm gonna redo it, you know. I should start like making more music for my live stream, so it's not the same 5 songs over and over. Hello. Hi guys. I'm gonna wait for people to join a bit. You cannot see the chat at all on that window. Okay. How do I change that? I should fix that before I don't know. Oh, that's not good. I can't change that right now. It has been a long time. Whatever, you guys can read in that box, right? You guys can read in that box over there. Can you? Here, I have an idea. Is there like a sharpen? What does that do? Sharpen. Okay. No. Guys, what do? I'm not untiming you out. Here's what I'm gonna do. Saturation? Is that Edwin? Maybe. That works. That works, guys. Also, look. I'm not scared. My little desktop icon. I got it. Okay. I have like enough people to start working on the game now. Hi, guys. Press like below for a new video. Also, I don't know where this is on the thing, but there's somewhere, probably that way. There's a goal, a little goal. If I get five or more dollar donations, I will lock the fart in and post a YouTube video this Friday. Half of it's already done. I just have been on Claustro right here since 3 days ago. So, is it gonna be crossplay? Yeah. Bored. So if that little goal, wherever it is, gets there, then I will finish the video before Friday. I'll have a while. I'll finish it earlier if I get that goal. So, how have I been, man? I've been good. I swear to God, I will do it. I will do it, because okay. I'm gonna work on... Last thing I was working on was the main menu, but I shouldn't be working on this because I should be working on cleaning up all of my files. This is bad. This is really bad. I have to re-export a lot of stuff. Mostly because the scale of like all of the objects is 100. I can't click it But if I go to here, if I go to the boxes, there's a shelf somewhere. I can't find the shelf. I was oblivious to that knowledge, says Chili Sheba. Okay, say that again. I said it will be cross-play between PC and Quest Standalone. They will be able to play together. Because the multiplayer server thing I use for the game is Epic Games, and I think they have crossplay. Okay. Guys, Synex is going to join stream. Who else? Definitely not Chili Sheba. I'll put Storm and then I'll like add people as the stream goes on. Stream chat. And then I call it. $10.
Play Oblivious in the background. I gave you money.
Yo, what's up?
Yo. Oh wait, I can do my virtual camera, so you can virtual. There we go. Check it.
Okay, cool.
So
yeah, I can see that.
I do gotta play Oblivious now. So get my shit up and then
Dude, play Twist by Korn.
Twist. Actually, I'll just
Yeah,
open
play
up
Twist,
FS Studio. How many bucks for you to get untimed out? 10. Quit sending me Glendo. I'm tired of seeing him. I don't want to see Glendo anymore. I'm tired of seeing the thing I created. Horrible. I didn't create him. I popularized him. I'll tell the. Do you guys know about the running endo, the little one on TikTok that he does a little dance in Fortnite?
What? There's endos in Fortnite?
There's the really messed up looking FNAF endoskeleton in Fortnite. Doing the Macarena. And he's been regaining traction, unfortunately, again. I helped to bring that thing to light, and I regret it. And now everyone's sending it to me because they know I did that. Oblivious, says Chili Sheba.
Why are we listening to Chili Sheba, bro?
Because he gave me money.
Oh. Yeah, that's how that's good. Listen to Chili Sheba.
This stream is going to get copyrighted in 2 months by me. Because I'll put you in the VCT. Alright. I don't know.
Every time you do something, it crashes me.
Oh, that's funky. Alright. I'll give you guys a tiny extra sneak peek. But then the rest of the sneak peeks will be on Patreon. Cause
money.
If I don't get enough money, then I don't know. Anyways. Oh, who's that? Axie Bunny Cat? What the hell? Okay. That's all you guys see. That's not the song I want to play.
Hey, TV Bunny.
TV Bunny.
I don't know how to this. First time meeting that.
Oblivious, what's my opinion on the Switch 2 Direct? I like Mario Kart. I love the Donkey Kong game. I don't like the prices.
Nobody likes the prices.
Nobody
The prices
does.
are crazy.
Bro, I mean,
What's up,
listen.
Big
At least
Block
it's
from
not like
Minecraft? Yo, what do you-
MacBook Pro type levels.
What do you guys think of the Minecraft?
Dude, it is though. I haven't watched it yet. I was supposed to go today, but everybody that was supposed to go with just got like sick randomly. I don't know.
What do you think I said? Minecraft movie or MacBook Pro? That's what I said.
Well, Hunter said, Minecraft movie, but MacBook
Oh.
Pro, like, these are the same prices, though.
Troxer.
Like, as in, it's the same thing.
So, back to Oblivious for like 3 seconds. Oblivious is done. The song is. I am waiting on the animation. Bunny Cat is working on the 2D stuff, and then I have some people on the 3D stuff.
Okay, so have you not just like,
Gang.
checked in on them and be like, hey, how's it going?
I don't know. The game, Claustro, is in public alpha testing. So, the current build is really, really, really butt cheeks. But you guys help me find all the bugs, and I'm gonna fix them.
You will?
I'm gonna.
You're fixing bugs? Oh my gosh!
I'm gonna ask
Holy
the
shit.
chat if they want to hear something. If not, then I won't say it. But do you guys want to
Do you
know
want to hear something?
the Jolly video?
Oh my
First,
God,
I'm
not
trying
the
to finish
Jolly
a
video.
really tiny, small video on Claustro and stuff.
Literally, someone was asking about the Jolly Fit video as soon as you talked about that.
Shoot. So, I'm working on a devlog for like Claustro and my other stuff. That's hopefully out pretty soon, but I'm gonna do that, and then I can continue the Jolly video. What was I gonna say? Do you guys want to know why I have to keep redoing a bunch of stuff in this game? If not, then I won't talk about it because it's a big old rant about coding and boring code stuff. Why is this shelf scale at 100?
Someone says, let me hear it.
Hello.
The Gregson!
So, anyways, the game. I code for the game. I code for it, and like you get better at code over time because that's how stuff works. So, last time I worked on this game was let's go up 14 months, February, because last year I was working on Jolly for Five Nights at Freddy's. Five Nights at Freddy's.
AKA. I don't know, the signs
I'll
are
talk
pretty
about-
early on, I noticed.
I'll talk about what happened with it in the video. Not now, but it ate all of my time. And I just recently got back to Claustro. Anyways, after all that time, I got way, way, way better at coding. So imagine you have I'll try to bring up an example with like art. Okay, so let's say I model a FNAF character. He looks like this, and then I take a break from this game, and I get better at modeling, and I can model. Let me see. Let me pull up an example. I model this. I take a year break, and I come back, and I can do stuff like this. Now I gotta remake this dude because he looks like butt cheeks. So now imagine that, but with all 120,000 lines of code in this game. That's a lot. I will not be able to make money off of Claustrophobic Nights directly, but people have wanted to give me money for the amount of work I've been doing. I've made it possible to do that by making
Patreon.
YouTube videos
And YouTube.
and making a Patreon that I post all of my stuff on, not just Claustro, because I don't know how legal that would be, but I post all my stuff on there, so it's cool. Like YouTube videos and all that. Yeah, I can't sell the game for money because that's not legal.
It's a FNAF fan game.
FNAF
Yeah.
game.
Yeah, it's...
If
yeah.
I could, I probably still wouldn't, because that'd murder all of my audience. They're all like 8-year-old Quest kids, but
At least in terms
Literally
of
everybody be saying Quest for.
yeah.
and
It's
VR
going.
games are expensive.
It's fine. I'll get money one day off of something that isn't FNAF.
I
So,
mean, you've got other
do.
original games that are like
But I want to finish
much
this one.
bigger than this.
Yeah.
Anyways, redoing the code for this game because I don't know what it means anymore. It's been so long. The last thing I was coding, this was like this morning, was the main menu, making sure the hands work. Let me test that out actually.
Do you want me to like
There are people
go
here to
back in and do
watch.
some new sounds, by the way? Because I feel like I've gotten way better sound design.
I'm not gonna need to ask for assets for like a couple of months because I'm gonna be reorganizing everything and coding. Let's see if this
Yeah.
button works. Seems like it works. And then we got the we got the thing. This is from online. It works. It's like a Fortnite news menu. Yo, Toby, you should
I was more thinking
sell
like a Gmod menu, but
the
okay.
FLPs. I would
What
never
are
sell my
FLPs?
FL
Oh,
Studio
the FL
files.
Studio project files. Yeah, my bad.
They don't use paid. Yeah, no, that makes sense. I mean, you use majority like FL Studio
Roblox.
just natives. You just use native plugins, right?
I use like 2 paid plugins.
Yeah.
And then a couple of non-native ones like Labs and Spitfire and Contact.
Yeah.
Okay, so I should have planned what I'm going to code. I have a dog. What's in here? Player controller. That's right. I need to fix the player. Not fix the player. I need to understand how it works. Because it's been...
It's been so long.
430 times 24.
430 times 24 is 10,320
Hours. It's been a bit. The music is so loud. I need to remove this one. Go away. Okay. I have a yellow Labrador. Edwin around the corner? What are you talking about? Falling through time? I should show off that song. I'm never gonna get coded. I'm gonna code this stream. I think.
You're not streaming, by the way. I'm not. I
I'm
don't
not
have
streaming,
the
by the
stream.
It's
No,
on my
he
camera,
is
it's on my
streaming.
No,
camera.
Yeah,
like
it's right
no,
here.
like Discord streaming.
I know.
Oh
I
no,
have my
no,
camera.
his camera.
I have my
He
camera.
has a virtual
What was I
camera.
gonna do?
Yeah.
I was gonna make a.
I wanted to hear the sound. That's why I was wondering.
Oh, that's not my stream. Whatever.
I don't. I
What
have
a-
it muted because I'm gonna hear myself.
Right.
That's
hold
true.
on. 3D assets. And then
I could just
I'll
make it very low.
green, and then I
could do it this
give
way.
it a little cube. Okay. And then that's where I'll put my 3D assets. Where's FS Studio? Where's Falling Through
Oh.
Time? There it is. Carnival music? I made it. Don't diss. Will this game be out by 2036? Hopefully. I like making music. That's what I do when I'm not making the game. Don't say that.
That's what you do most of the time.
I am slowly falling into insanity. This all feels like a dream. I just wanna break free. I don't know where I'm going. I feel like I've been wandering aimlessly for what's felt like years. I've been falling through time, and I can't get it back. Can't I just go back in time? I just want to go back.
Alright. Oliver, clean that shit up. What am I doing? I should be playing Claustrophobic Nights Ambience during the stream.
Yeah. Also, I
Good idea.
noticed how delayed the stream is compared to the voice chat.
Yeah, it's really
I do that
delayed.
so I do that because my computer will blow up with low latency. I'm going to Claustrophobic Nights and then I go to the music and sounds. What am I doing? I have a folder in my live stream folder for Claustro Ambience. There I go. I'll do this one. This one's kind of booty cheeks. I'll do the main menu. This one's gas. My mascot is entered. No, it's not. It's Craig. Do you guys know what Craig is? Do you guys know who Craig is?
Little red
There
guy.
he is.
it's Craig.
There's I'm Not Scared coming to Steam when
Never.
it feels like it. Ignore my Steam library.
Dude, why do you have so much? What's the B game? What's with the B game, man?
It's fine. Whatever. Hashtag Unity Game Dev FNAF VR. Won the Tally Hall Will Wood. This guy picked it up immediately. Stream wanna makes you. Okay. You should have seen my older streams. Those were bad.
I love when the I love when the director of the game is even as lazy as
No, look,
lazy as you.
I'm dragging folders around. I'm working. My light became brighter out of nowhere.
Dude, that's so real. I'm dragging folders around and working. That's what I be doing.
You know.
Yeah,
Lapis
dude, I gotta go to that
Lazuli, this is
movie.
Diamond ore.
It is.
Glows. Glows.
Does he
Chicken
say
jockey.
lapis lazuli in the movie?
3FS enjoyer. He made the music that was just playing. He made this.
So
He makes music for the
Re-Rocket-
game.
So Re-Rocket, are you a 3FS
you a real
enjoyer?
3FS enjoyer. If you were, you would know he worked on this game. Duh.
Exactly.
Why do I don't need
Dur-dur-dur.
MTO files. This is awful. Why is Circus Baby and OBJ and why is entered in? Why does he have 2 FBXs? Okay. I'm good at game
Yeah, I love
development, I
FBXs.
swear. Animations. Why is this?
Guys, as an experienced game developer, I can confirm he is getting better at game development compared to what Claustro is.
If you're looking at your own mistakes and doing that, yeah, that's kind of a point in time where you're getting better.
Okay. Yeah. No, there you go. They all have. Okay. Fasaf. You guys see why I need to redo stuff? He mentions it occasionally. Not a lot. This is really bad. I need to.
I have to get a new mic. at some
I have a
point.
folder for inverse kinematics in the animatronics model folder. Okay. None of y'all know what that means, but it means I'm bad at code. I can't even move it. Can
I think you have to click your mask and drag it. I think that's. I'm not sure.
I don't think it's maybe I already have a. I do.
Well, I think I might have
Okay,
already known
what if
it,
I
but I don't know.
drag this? It worked. Now is that gonna break everything or?
I'm about
I
to
hope
I'm about to
not.
confuse the shit out of the chat and maybe get one sexist comment.
Dude, please do.
Okay.
This is awesome. So awesome.
Blah blah blah.
Because the last time I came into a stream with the femboys, I got like at least like one sexist comment.
Vent segments.
Make
What do you
a
mean the
sandwich
femboys?
now. It's like the fucking what?
What do you mean the femboys?
This is the
Oh, oh my god, the femboys! Oh my god!
Oh my god, I'm about to. Okay, listen, we just met, but I might have to kill you.
I do C sharp.
I just might have to kill
What
you.
will I be coding?
Holy shit, wait, that's so funny.
After I drag around all my
I'm
little
sorry.
3D model files, I'm gonna be doing the. I'll have to decide on that. I'll probably be working on the player to make sure the player is all good. The song I played earlier, you mean this one? Shoot, I should probably have a little thing at the bottom that says currently playing song. That'd be smart.
That would be interesting to do.
Yeah.
I use C sharp. I did a itty bitty teeny bit of Python, like one day into programming, but never again. That's a lie. I know an itty bit of Python.
Nothing like C# though.
That Unity project is the game I made last night. This one. Thank you. I like this song. This song is for, I'll tell you guys. This song is for when you first get into the post game for Cluster, the, like, campaign for the post game. Hi, Blue Girl. This is the ambience for the sister location map in the game. Now I just have to drag 1,000 billion far. Oh my god! Why is the FNAF 3 map and the hand model in the same folder?
I can feel your pain.
I
It's
can't.
pretty much
'cause
what I
don't
had to do
code.
today.
But you know what? It's whatever.
Why would I tell you
Oh.
guys what the ending to the game is? So basically, the end of the game. No.
Basically,
I'll
at
play
the
the music
end of the game,
From the end of the
at
game
the
for like
end of
5
the game,
seconds.
Freddy Fazbear comes out and takes.
He doesn't do anything. Freddy doesn't exist in this game. That's a lie.
Guys,
Thinking
so
about
at the end of the game,
Guys, at the end of the game,
ends.
Freddy Fazbear comes out of nowhere and
Yeah, that happens. Where is it? I'm trying to find this. It's called. There it is. This is the end of the game, guys.
I'm really confused by the chat. What do you mean, bro?
Okay.
Plated Unity? What is that?
That's all you
What does
guys
that
get
mean?
to hear. Bro, plated Unity. I'm picking that.
Just.
that is good. That should be pinned. That's like the best of all time.
Bro, plated Unity.
Yeah, that's.
What if
like,
Freddy-
What does that mean?
No, bro plated
He'd
Unity.
be an
Oh my
endoskeleton.
god.
What kind of question is that? Freddy Fivehead found William after shock and makes him turn blue. I know bomb the place
turns
at
into
the
the
end of the
blue
game.
guy, that's all
You're kind of
happens.
close. The end of the game, Energy says, you're kind of close. Is it just me or is it a little claustrophobic? I was talking about the one I was working
Dude,
on.
these nights feel
Oh,
kinda
guys.
claustrophobic.
Thank you. That one. Is it just me or is it a little claustrophobic? I think that's on one of the like the night presets for custom night. Game settings. Game modes? Yes!
A little claustrophobic.
Yes! Story mode.
Anyway,
I
I'm gonna
forgot
turn
about
myself
this song.
blue.
This is the one playing right now is the FNAF 2 map ambience. I need to change this one. It has too much progression to it. It's supposed to be ambient. That's something I'm really
Yeah.
bad at with ambience.
Anyway, I'm blue now.
No!
You're blue.
Yes, I'm blue.
You're blue now. Oh my god.
I'm blue.
I'm blue.
Why is the gold counting
down?
Oh,
Wait, what do you mean? What's counting down?
continue.
No, I'm green. There's nothing you can
I
do
don't
about
know
it.
how to extend the goal time.
Green.
I need 4 donations in 40 seconds, guys. They're gonna get that like 10 seconds before it ends because of the delay. That's the Juniors music? That's the FNAF 2 trailer music! Also,
It was.
I'm gonna give you guys a little fun fact that isn't anywhere in the game at all. There's a track in the game for when let me see if I can pull it up. I need to go to YouTube for this, so I go to YouTube. It is the
I
FNAF
I
teacher
am
emoji.
sad face unity.
I go here.
Yes.
I go to the OST, and then I go down to Dark Circuits, the one 3FS made. The sounds in this song come directly from the Mangle boss fight from the Juniors game. Because it's him, it's 3FS. Because you can do that.
Wow.
I like the, where is it? I like the power out music. And then there's also the Maximo theme.
Do you like the gift that I sent?
That. Wow.
Just like, he's in awe.
He's in awe at how
Do you guys want to
beautiful
see
my
the
gift
most
is.
recent build of Claustrophobic Knight's flat mode? I'll show you. I'll show you. There it is. Go to here. Okay. Cool, Blue. What's the... I don't know. Hunter Ellen Pro. That's a good comment. Subon Yasser Afton, leave us alone. I don't want to hear about Jolly 4 anymore. Please. The game's canceled. It's not coming back. We're not rebooting it. I'm tired of working on games for 2,000 hours with nothing in return. So...
Please.
there will be nothing on the anniversary of Jolly because no one wants to work on it. He cooked on the beat. Yeah, I love 3FS's music. It's awesome. Guys, it's Claustrophobic Nights. Hold on. Play.
Guys, the
Work
game
on
was
FNAF
never
games.
VR.
That's the moral of the story. That's a lie. There's VR gameplay that people can play. So,
I know,
okay,
I'm
I can
joking.
dash. Tab. Okay.
I love why are you reacting like you never played this? Okay, wait a minute.
You can play the game. This is the game, guys.
Yeah, this is the game.
It takes the best mechanic in all the time.
Yeah, how can you never show me the application for gameplay? The animation on the big look related. So bouncy.
This is so cool.
Oh my god. I love my
You're aroused. Hang on.
Saying you're on the-
Hang on.
Where are you, man?
This is awesome.
This
By
is
the way.
astonishing.
Making my
Wow.
pussy wet.
This is kind of crazy.
I'm gonna do that in the TikTok, boys. Just like at a random point in the
Okay.
stream. Just like
2,000
Yes,
hours
please,
is
that was
83 days
amazing.
straight.
that is so crazy.
83 days is a little misleading. I programmed for the game for 7 months straight, and then I worked on it partially for the preceding 5 months. But still, it's a lot of time. Did I work on Jolly 4?
Dude, Bluger is like kind of right now.
Ah! I was very mixed about my feelings on my time working for this game.
sorry to you if you're being bothered, but cause 2000. Yeah, no. Yeah.
It's Jolly 4. Oh, it's playing in freaking VLC Media Player. Get out of there! Okay. Video on it's coming soon. Are you sure you calculate on your calculator?
What is that? What does that mean? I mean, I guess I guess you calculate on your calculator. I don't know. What does he would do?
Yeah, there's ray tracing mode. There's already a button that toggles it, so you're good. I played
It's just not necessary in gameplay, and I'm not going to ever use it.
The flight mode does not run at 15 FPS. It's fine.
Guys, he's using URP, not HDRP. It's fine.
Yeah, there you go.
To use
What was I
HDRP, you
just
gotta know
working
how. So, I think you were like sorting stuff or some shit.
3D models and
Yeah.
textures. I organize it way better, and I'm not scared than this game. This game, for some reason, I have. Oh.
Yeah, I'm not scared. Has a pretty okay, I guess.
No, wait. I have
Sorting.
textures and models in one folder together for every asset. I don't think I could get more organized.
I mean, you probably could. I don't know, because that's pretty much how I do it. I wouldn't say that's a good way, but I also wouldn't say that's a bad way. You know, it's like a good in between.
For
I've seen
individual
worse
assets,
projects, so.
if there are, this is horrible having the models and textures completely separate.
That depends, really.
Suban. Okay, let's run this math. 7 times 30 is 210 days. Times about 9 is just under 2,000. I worked on the game for about 9 hours a day, every day for 7 months. And then I worked on it partially for the next 5 months. I didn't work on it for 83 days straight. I think I would be dead. Because no one can stay awake for that long except for me. Because of Jolly 4. I need to do a fart ton of organizing items. I don't even know how to organize this.
Oh my god, it's 1 a.m. Probably got to bed soon.
Objects. Why is Jolly 4 canceled?
Is it not?
Or why is something else canceled? Hunter microphone. Down timer. I like that comment. Who are you? Go away. Hi guys, I like Pizza Tower. I got Apple Artist Recap. 126 plays on Puppy Pinata World OST.
Yay. I would work on that right now, but I'm scared I'll leak something.
I did not
Yeah,
work on it for 83 days straight. I don't know why you would think I'd be awake for that long.
I think he means like every day for 83 days.
Yeah, I didn't do that. I
Not
just
like
told you
being,
I worked on
not
it
like
for...
being, not like being awake for 83
I'm
days.
aware
Like,
that
you
is
wouldn't
the
be able
total
to do
amount of
that.
time I programmed for. I'm aware I took calculus. I can do math. I'm just saying that time was more spread out than 2.5 months. Fruitiger Arrow is when I don't care. I can make my live stream layout how I want. I do what I want. Like release claustrophobic
Okay.
nights when I want.
Okay.
Why did you sound like Lewis?
Who?
Lewis Griffin.
Tina, the horse is here.
Means
Tina,
12.
the
Yeah.
horse is here.
That's pretty
Suban,
close.
Peter, the horse is here.
I think that was worse for some reason. I don't know.
No, what? That's crazy.
The first one sounded better. I'm sorry.
I don't know, man. I'm just saying. Peter,
Yeah,
why
I'm
are
just
you
saying.
saying that?
just didn't sound like Lucas at all now. We got making shit
I'm
up.
trying
but,
too hard.
Maybe.
Maybe it's just because I'm trying
just-
too hard. You know?
You just gotta become Lewis, you know?
Yeah, Lewis is totally a character in Family Guy. There's probably a character named Lewis, but it's not. Lewis is not a woman.
What do you mean? Alright, doesn't... Cause someone, like a guy voices her, right?
No.
No? Okay. I'm confused
Lewis
then.
is not a character. No, Lewis Griffin is not a character. It's Lois Griffin.
Oh my god, really?
You got Mandela effect that no one else got. What the fuck?
What do you mean? Lewis Griffin.
It's Lois Griffin.
Lois. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just
It's
saying it
Lois
incorrectly.
Griffin. Oh my god.
I just got a really weird accent. Leave me alone.
Math. 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 Math.
Math.
Math.
That's what I be saying when I do math, you know?
You know? Make it Y2K. I'm not that good at graphic design. Go away.
Man, that's crazy.
Lewis Griffin. Lawrence.
Lois. It's. I'm saying it right, right? Lewis. It is Lewis Griffin, right?
Vince.
Bro, I'm gonna fucking
just-
put you in a fucking like vat of acid, bro. With how much you're
Like,
saying
check it,
Lewis
look.
Griffin.
Dude, it is. Dude,
Vince.
check my stream.
Yeah, that is not Lewis Griffin.
Oh my god.
Vince.
Oh my
I
lord.
literally can't hear the difference.
Lois.
Lois.
Lewis.
Okay. Sign X.
Lois.
Sign X.
Okay.
Say ooh. Like ooh.
Ooh.
Now say oh.
Ooh. Oh.
Yeah, there's a difference.
So try saying Lois Griffin.
Lois Griffin.
There you go.
There you go. You got it correct.
Okay, there,
Accents are
finally.
weird.
Holy
Oh my
shit.
god. Are you?
Yeah, no.
Was that
Okay.
genuine or are you just that
No,
fucking
it was
stupid?
genuine. No, I wasn't fucking with y'all. I was actually
Guys,
genuine. I had
I'm
no
working
idea.
on the game, I swear. Hi, Sandwich, I'm making you a mod. How do I
Oh
do
my god.
I'm so
This
sorry.
is
I
like
just,
profound mental retardation.
Man, I'm just Polish.
Like,
Man,
what's
it's
next?
just
Are you gonna?
a-
Are you no? What's next? Are you gonna say
Suban.
web
Suban.
queen?
No.
No, it's Bean.
that's-
There's already a Jolly server.
Bink.
There's one here. Okay.
Or people like work on the game. He's working on it. Can't you see? He has
He's working on the
game?
game, bro.
Alright.
He's
here I
working
go.
on it.
He's working on the game, guys. Believe it or not, he's working on the game.
I'll make a folder called environment interactables. These are like interactables. Items. Okay. Interactables. I don't know how to organize this.
That's so crazy.
Working, I got the components and the inspector menu out. Well, the inspector is here. Yeah, my components menu? I'm not touching the sliders. Who is Polish? Synax is Polish.
I am
Yeah.
Polish.
Synax is Polish.
Yeah, I be eating that goopy shit for breakfast. Like that's not what I meant. Like you know this slop.
What the fuck
that
is
doesn't make it
goopy
better.
shit? What the fuck
No,
is
there was a-
goopy
there
shit?
was a
That could
trend.
be anything.
I
There
think
was
it's
a-
common because it's funny.
There was a trend on TikTok where it's just like Polish films, like the most outrageous thing ever.
Okay, I'm gonna make a folder
That's
called
awesome.
buildings. What do I call those 3D mod? In the future, since you're planning to make another fan game, you might be able to use Unity to make. Should be the one taking the work of Jolly 4.
The fuck are you talking about?
There were
No, it's not a
about.
comment.
I want to warn you. There were about 8,000 man-hours put into programming The Office alone. Because the game was that complex and Weszek was not a master game designer. So, hi Zomlord. There is a lot in the game that makes it really hard to make with a small team that isn't getting paid a lot. So I wouldn't recommend trying to reboot it. It's a little tricky to make a game like that.
He just does it in like one day, and it's like, you guys suck. I did it in one day.
I couldn't even like begin to imagine models in games. What do I call these kind of models?
I don't know.
What the?
Prefabs?
What the props?
Props? Yeah.
Architecture.
LODs?
Texture. No, like the rooms.
Architecture?
Rooms. What do I
Environmental.
call
I guess-
this?
Environmental, right?
I don't... Environmental
Rooms?
models? Environments?
I look it up. I should probably just call it. Is environments the right word? I'm gonna.
I mean, yeah.
I'm not
environments
switching.
is the right word.
I'm not switching to Dotch or ECS or Burst in the middle of making a game. Not doing all that.
Why would you switch to ECS or the DOTS system if...
I don't know.
Like, that's not what those are for.
I would like to be involved if I have full Unity experience. How many years of Unity experience do you have? And I don't use Windows 11 because, frankly, I don't want them tracking like every mouse and keyboard click I do. Rewrite Claustro, use jobs in coroutine. I've used coroutine since day one of Unity. I don't know how rare you think they are, but okay. I need a.
Or yeah,
This game
everybody
is going
uses
well.
coroutines.
Coroutines are
And-
very, very, very common.
Yeah, and jobs, the only thing from jobs you could use that would make sense would be the burst system, but on its own, and it would be for like special effects only. Nothing else would actually make sense, and it would actually put much more stress on the GPU than just making it normally most of the time.
Room 3D models? I don't imagine there being many outdoor scenes in this game, so I'll just name the folder rooms. How long have I been using Burst Compile without using? I've never touched any of them, so there's that. How to Unity?
Burst, by the way, Burst compiles on its own. You don't actually have to use it in a project. Like it does stuff on its own for some core elements.
I'm vaguely aware of how it functions. I just don't want to do it right now.
Yeah, no, I'm just explaining it to the chat.
Holy room models. Walls? Is the ceiling separate? No. Okay. Why is the floor separate? Why is this a separate
Maybe you
room?
just-
What is this? Oh, this is the secret room. FNAF 3. Why is the floor separate?
Why would
for the-
you? Why would you have like all of the rooms separate and not like as one big map unless it's like
Occlusion
procedural?
culling. Occlusion culling, you know.
Oh, yeah, I guess that's true. But wouldn't that increase like, I don't know, botch calls? Wouldn't that be worse than doing occlusion culling? I don't know.
How optimized would it be to have... Let me unhide the extras menu.
I mean, I feel like one botch call compared to 12 is
You're right.
better.
More polys is more. More polys is better handled than more
More
objects in most
Yeah,
software.
at least that's why I'm like, I feel like this would do so many more like batch calls and much more, the game would run much slower like this than if it just was
That's why I
connected.
separated them, because the vents. I should just model in Blender with meters instead of feet.
Why
don't
you
wanna-
have feet set in Blender?
Yeah, you can do that. Cause
Why would
I
you
don't
do it
use the
though? It's
metric
like
system. I know feet better. I know that I'm 6 feet tall and my room is 11 by 11 feet wide.
I guess doesn't Unity use the metric system though?
Yeah, everything does. I don't want to though.
The metric system is so easy though.
I'm just not used to
I know both.
It is pretty
systems,
easy to.
So
I just need to start thinking. 1 meter is like 3 feet.
yeah, for
A
example,
little over 3 feet.
it's actually like 294, I think. Wait, let me check. Meter.
1 meter is
feet.
3.28 feet.
Oh no.
Or
Yeah,
31.9 inches. That's under. That is under 3 feet. Is it?
No, it's 3.28
How many inches are
feet.
in a meter?
1 meter is 39.37 inches.
39. I had it the other way around.
Yeah.
Odin? Like the inspector tool? Or... Oh, Odin's a language. Found Lewin. I really like when people will talk about something code related, something software related. They'll be like, this sucks. Like someone will be using Ableton and they'll be like, FL Studio sucks. I'm gonna push aside the 10,000 hours I spent on it to use a better thing that does the same thing.
Oh yeah.
I
The
mean,
same thing.
Yeah. Do it right now. Right now. Do it right now.
The same thing for a performance difference that is so small that I can't think of anything witty or funny right now, but
it's
the
pretty
point,
much
the point's there.
like as long as you're
Yeah,
good at
exactly. That's why you
language.
listen to me.
If you're good at one language, of course it's gonna be better for you than every other language. Like it makes sense.
What is this layout? A layout that I made and got used to. Because I
And
find
we're
it the
gonna-
most efficient.
And you're going to deal with it.
I like my shelf model. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I like the shelf model I made with the textures. I don't use it.
It
that
looks.
I couldn't
much.
tell that.
It looks kind of like a shelf, man.
There's
pretty good.
I need to fix.
Yeah, that's some weird.
That's a
thing to
substance.
do.
I know why. It's because it's not triangulated. But these are backwards.
Just switch them around. They're not. They're a different object,
I'm
right?
gonna redesign this extras menu anyways in the future. So, hi, Golden Freddy. Where did the text go? Okay. Oh, the game that's never coming out. Northwatch. Unity 5?
What do you mean? I think he meant Unity 6.
New Unity does look nice.
I like the
I'll switch to
new
it after
Unity.
Claustro because it looks. I did try it. There's a lot of things that are nice about it that I would wait to have in my project. Wait until I'm done with this game to have in my stuff. The music changed. Oh yeah, I made this. I've heard of Parappa. Suban, I saw your message. I saw your jolly idea. You can do it if you want. ahead. I need a... Guys, I'm really good at game development, I swear. What is this?
What do you mean Unity 5? Dude, you've been on Unity 4 in 2025? That's kinda crazy.
When is Cluster coming? When I'm done with it. I don't know how people predict release dates for things, like movies. What song was before this? You mean this one? The dinky one, or you mean this one? Because I like this one more. It is not coming out October of any year. Don't listen to this guy. But, where's my thing? There's my thing. Oh, that's right. Extras, put this there. Does that work? Why is the main menu the FNAF 3 room? Does not come out tomorrow. This one. Well, the dinky one or the one playing right now? Because I have a bit of a delay. There's the boop, 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 and then there's this one. Ooh, I don't even know where to start with a lot of this.
I recommend doing a Google Doc with all the
Safe
problems
room
listed
maps.
out.
That doc would be like more pages long than the design document for the game.
Yeah, but at least you would have like
Yeah, I'll do
every
that
problem listed out.
eventually. You should check the Discord right there.
I didn't put it in the description.
Description. I think it is there.
Description. Let me check. Oh yeah, it is.
I
It is.
really should have separated these, but I don't care. Alan Dishard.
Wait, why would you separate the pipes?
Yeah. Because
Why?
of that.
Oh yeah, that's a really good reason to separate the pipes.
I do it a couple of times, but whatever.
What the? Oh, that's so
I
bad. No, you
mean,
gotta change that.
Why would you
yeah.
separate them?
I think you might have to change that. I don't know.
I don't want to.
You
Okay.
gotta
later.
do it.
Yeah, I need to re-export every model in the game eventually. Anyways, I should clear the baked lighting data because I'll need to
Be
redo
right
it
back.
anyways. It'll make my stuff a little faster. Goodbye, baked lighting.
You can do it in bakery now.
I can. I have been doing it in bakery.
Oh.
I just cleared
Dude.
from there.
Oh, why?
Because I can. Okay. Is there anything important in any of these? No. No.
Do you use SH or dominant direction
Do I
for this
use...
game? SH
I should
or
use
dominant
SH.
direction.
I've been using baked normal maps because it... I'll show you real quick what the baked normal maps look like in the map FNAF 1. Because it looks really, really nice on things that have normal maps, like the ceiling.
Yeah,
don't
but
know where it
SH
went.
does that, like... SH does, like, that, but, like, additionally does more stuff, and it's, like, cool.
Okay, I might do that then, if it's not super performance heavy compared to baked normals.
It's a little heavy, but it's, like...
That's fine. How the 19-year-old underpaid theater worker looks at me when I yell flint and steel. That's funny. That's funny. The delay is tremendous. You say I am unaware. Which directional mode you use? Mono SH is laggy on Quest 2. You use Bakery? You use Unity?
What? Mono SH is laggy on Quest 2? How? Mono SH is the
Is
more
SH
performant
laggy?
version of SH. No, I haven't. I've used SH for cleaning up Happy World and it wasn't laggy. So.
Mind you, Quest 2 has a triangle limit of like 100,000 tries. 150,000. It's crazy. Low.
Yeah. Maybe it wasn't the Mono SH. Maybe it was your models, my guy.
That might be a thing.
Mono SH is like one texture.
What?
That's why it's called mono. Yeah, that's why it's called mono.
How do
you know?
I'll experiment once I get to Quest testing. Ooh, I'm gonna have to play this game unlit for so long. It's only better in file size.
Yeah, because SH generates
Is it like,
three files,
Yeah.
and mono SH.
Are they all really
produces
big
one.
files though? I would imagine it does that since they're light maps in one file. I'll read more on it later. Not now.
I mean, I've been reading a lot about it. It's like
What is
for
graphics
SH
test? That doesn't exist.
for SH it was like, the file sizes are pretty big, but the light itself looks so much better than the other modes.
How are the light probes still? Oh, I get it. I need to remake this wall texture. Butt cheeks. That's a funny joke, Jib Stubbly. Will you replace the April Fool's builds with the new one next April Fool's? I'll think about it. Is it going to be on Quest 2? Just wondering, because Quest 2 seems like it would be really hard to optimize for Quest 3, and Quest 3s would work better. I don't know why I would... I literally have to make it work on Quest 2. Anyways. Yeah, so don't worry, it'll run on Quest 2. And I sure as hell hope it runs on Quest 1. That's a bit of a stretch goal, but Quest 1 would be really nice. Also, don't worry, my models are very optimized. This room is like 5,000 tries. Or polys, I forget. Quest 2 standalone. Yeah, I don't know why I would say Quest 2 and then mean PC VR. Because that's up to your PC. You didn't miss much. I was talking about why the game's delayed. And Jolly 4. A completely separate game. This stream's been going on for a bit. I usually don't stream for more than an hour. Because everyone leaves, but people are staying. Thank you guys. Why do I have to be trusted? Because of certain people who will join the server and post inappropriate stuff the second they join. What's your thing? I think I found you. Are you
By the way,
Macrovo?
Hunter, I just sent a question about the SH and mono SH modes to some people that are super professionals at Bakery, and just ask them how it would perform on Quest 2.
Oh yeah.
Because there's actually a pretty big server of professionals that use it, so that's pretty much where I go with all my models. Shit, not with all my models, with all my bakes. I just go there and ask questions.
What does Chad say? Chips W, you have the same profile picture as Bunny Cat. Okay, what was I doing? I was in some scene.
You were in the main menu scene, I think.
I was. Why?
You deleted the baked stuff.
Yeah, what scenes do I have here? I have Game Logic, Game Spectator Room. I have Intro. That's the initialization scene. I have Lobby.
Oh, dude, Hunter, by the way, I just thought of a way you could seamlessly, like, load scenes. Maybe not scenes, but, like, big areas. So, for example, if you had, like a really big map, you could, like, separate them into scenes, and then additionally load those scenes. And unload them.
I did that in Jolly 4
Yeah,
extensively.
Yeah, but for, like, open world maps.
Oh,
You know?
yeah.
No,
yeah.
like...
I saw... What's the game? Firewatch do that.
Yeah. I was just thinking about it today, and I was like, why haven't I thought about this before?
Yeah. I'm working on organizing my project files because this is god awful. Tutorial.
Anyway, I'm gonna go for now because it's
Okay.
1:30
Okay.
in the morning. Alright, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay. I need to lock in and organize my project files. Since I'm back to working on the game a lot, I'll be in my Discord server voice chats more. Northwatch is done. I don't have time to work on it. Why am I in the scripts folder? I want to be in the models folder. VR head. I should, this is really high poly. I should optimize that. Lock in. Put on my Animal Crossing music. Guys, ask questions about, I don't know. How do I do, Albedo? I don't want to do that. I just want Albedo. How do I do that? What's that? Optimize? I'm gonna first off... Wait, if I need to re-export everything, why am I trying to... Okay. You type in the chat, bro. Can you make your April Fool's bill? I was thinking of that, but I don't know how long it'd take. And that'd be really annoying and stupid.
For something like, fucking whatever.
Yeah. The graphics will be pretty good on Quest 3 because Quest 3 has shadows in games, and that'll make the vents look really cool, especially in the areas with the lights in the vents. I need to put more stuff in the vents. They're pretty empty. I'm just gonna drag everything into the models folder and then put them all in their own things. Vent, small vent cover. Nodescape, my giant plane. Rooms, okay. Alright, this is a thing already. Chicken jockey.
Flint and Steel.
Bye, Pop Tart.
Chicken jockey.
Pseudo multiplayer with no real players. And they explode when they see an animatronic. Maybe.
What?
Maybe. I did that for my first ever Unity game. Bean versus Bean. Ooh, these are really bad. Luckily, I have a copy of the FNAF 1 map in Blender, so I can just use that if I ever need to rebuild that scene. I need to open Blender so I can re-export all the props. Um, 5 p.m. is in 27 minutes. At 5 p.m., I'm going to go to my Discord server and make the game there because I do not want to stream for much longer. No one's saying anything. I should do live chat. How many of you guys watched the Minecraft movie? I saw the unfinished version. It was awesome.
There was a friend that recently watched it. He was like so mad at the movie.
Wow.
He's like, he's just monologuing for like 20 minutes.
The beginning?
Yes.
I like that part. Pink house. How do I even theme these? What do I name these? Email. I got a Spotify recap. I got 1 follower. Yes.
Yay!
I won't spoil. I'm not like that. I watched it. Cool.
Cool. It's almost like I don't care.
That's not nice.
You think I want to be nice?
Sonic. Facility, bedroom. I don't even know what other.
On other topics, did you ever find your debt?
Oh, yeah. Frog? They're like... I don't even know how to... I don't know what I'm doing. Don't do it. Why is it like this? I don't want to full screen it. I have played Repo for a little over 50 hours. It's pretty good.
I only just got it like 2 days ago. Let me see how long I played it for.
The lamp.
I've played it for approximately 2.8 hours.
Hand unit? Why hand unit? Was that really the issue? He was the issue. That's really odd. Props? Are these all props? I tried playing the tutorial. Your laptop can't run any game. That explains why I can't run the Cluster one. It has a pretty low graphics bar. My friend Martin could run the game at 90 FPS. He has like a Quadro P400 GPU. That is like a born before most of you guys GPU. So if his
I don't even
PC
have.
can run
I have
it,
integrated graphics, and I could play the game.
yeah. If your
Like-
laptop can't run that game, then
Your laptop needs an upgrade.
maybe.
Flint and steel.
Flint
Sorry.
and steel, chicken jockey. I am.
Steve.
Is air horn one word? Air horn is 2 words. Guys, I know how to spell.
What?
I know how to spell.
Yesterday.
Me when I start organizing my files. Closet door. Can we get the playlist for my streaming? Good chunk of these songs are on my SoundCloud. The other chunk is on the Claustro OST on my channel if you just scroll down. This like Animal Crossing type music is right here. How do I make it a short link? There I go.
No, can't do that. Okay.
Why'd the music stop? Okay.
No.
There's the Animal
No.
Crossing music, and then there's like... There's other stuff. I should start making little playlists on my SoundCloud so it's easier to find songs. Thank you for the dollar. Awesome. I'm just gonna start making folders for this stuff. Arcade machine. Balloon. I don't want to play this song. This song's scary. That's all I have. Don't spend all you have. Save your money. Box. Boxes. Make breakers. I thought we have multiple breakers. Ceiling light. Desk. Office desk. And then dining table. Dressers. I'm just playing a collection of music from my SoundCloud. This is like a bunch of different music from my SoundCloud website. Yeah. Oh, Slacker's Carts of Glory is so good. It's like one of my favorite games ever. Exit door. There's fan. Desk fan. There's toy fan. Filing cabinet. Filing. Spell that right? Flag decorations. Just do ceiling decorations. Floodlight. Uh-oh. Floodlight. There's Freddy mug. Slash kaboom. Start putting this stuff into their folders. Guys, what FNAF games do you like that have come out? Me personally, there's I can't think of much. There hasn't been much. I like Final Hours in the Big Pink Letter R. That was a really good game. Final Hours 1983 is also a really good game. What the fuck did I put in desk fan? I'm not the brightest tool in the shed. At times. Okay. Pop Goes Arcade. That one's pretty fun. Pop Goes Arcade is cool. I don't know about Evergreen. Desk fan. Okay. Toy fan. Filing cabinet. Ceiling decorations. Floodlight. Freddy mug. Gas tanks. None? That's fair. They're not all that. This one hopefully will be kind of that. Hand unit. I don't know what category hand unit should be in. Lamp. Light bulb. I should be like Jack Black when I make the Claustro gameplay trailer. I should just list off model names. CRT monitor. Freddy mug. Golden Freddy. Like that. What else is there? Light switch. Bedroom light switch. Locker. That's evil. Why can't I edit it when it's off screen? Monitor. Museum stand. Summon Minecraft Fireball. I don't do Twitch. I deleted my Twitch account a few days ago. Because I don't want it. And their terms of service is like, hello, Hunter Allen. We're Twitch, the broadcasting service, and we want your personal information, your IP, your internet history, your passwords, your banking info. No, thank you. No Twitch. How do I not do that? Delete your Twitch account. Impersonation is against Twitch's terms of service. I read it. And I do not agree to it.
So, actually, you can't impersonate someone on Twitch. Against the rules. And
Giant
if you did that, that would
pipes.
and if you did that, that would
Poster?
actually be like really bad.
Poster. Posters.
But what if you allow it? They don't allow it. So, it's on them more than it is on Hunter.
If I allow it, then I don't know. I forget exactly what it says. If given permission, you may be able to impersonate someone else's likeness, but I am unaware. Just leave me be.
I don't like your DM, Chili Sheba. I don't like your DM.
Go away, Chili. Pressure tank. Pressure tank. Shaking Jackie.
I don't like your DM. I don't like your DM.
Puzzle
It makes me feel sad.
panel. How do you spell panel?
I totally did not respond, you know, and give off the exact opposite energy to it. Stupid song.
Stupid
Fuck you,
song.
Chili Sheba. Fuck you. Sorry, I had to get it out of my system.
Wall shelf. Horrible organization. A horrible organization. Security camera.
He just threatened my life, guys. Chili Sheba just threatened my life.
Sci-fi security camera.
Guys, he just threatened my life.
Just leave me be.
He said he would shoot me with an AK-47.
I'm no idiot. I'm just oblivious, I say. Say that again. It says Chili Sheba in the YouTube chat. I'm not putting sci-fi at the beginning of this. I'll just
Chili Sheba threatened my life, and I don't know how to feel about it.
Location. What would I even name this model?
Guys, he's threatening my life. He's threatening my life.
SL
Are you on my window, Chili Sheba?
room. SL room.
What are oh, it's Wizard Money Gang.
Map. Sister location. Small pipes. I don't know how to spell looking. Or are you trying to spell looking or something else? Where is Bear 5? He's in the game. He's in the game. What do I need? Small vent cover? Small vent cover. Speaker? Spotlight? Spotlight is 2 words? Spotlight. What if I separate the two? Spotlight? It's 1 word. I need to remake this music. This song sucks.
Shut the fuck up.
Okay. I'm going to my Discord server in 9 minutes.
The gunshot missed.
No.
So so that was actually me on Chili Sheba's account saying I took care of them.
Extras menu.
'Cause I took care of Sheba.
Stage.
I took care of Chili Sheba. Don't worry, guys. V5 I took care of Chili Sheba, guys.
Static screen? Screen?
I gave him a nice bath and
wall mounted
and gave him some nice
TV.
food.
There's a prop. Okay. Trash bin.
I gave him a nice meal on top of everything.
Face. Vent. Cover. Vent light. Wall light. Map. Sister location. Ceiling wires.
This is some diabolical wishes.
Can I share a clip in the Discord? Yeah. I haven't been looking at the Discord at all. GTA 6 before Claustro. Silk Song before Claustro. That one's a little far. GTA 6 maybe, but I don't know about Silk Song. That one's a stretch.
What? GTA 6 before Silk Song?
Silk Song before Claustro. I didn't delete your message.
Isn't it coming out literally this year, though?
Oh, someone deleted it. Not me.
It might actually come out before Claustro.
GTA 6 will for sure.
Silk Song is definitely going to come out
Extras,
before Claustro.
menu. No, bro.
Silk Song is meant to come out this year, numbnuts.
Silk Song.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. Oh,
I'm not reading the chat anymore. Extras. Stage. Oh my god. I'm joining the Discord server voice chat in 5 minutes. Giant
I may or may not be there.
pipes.
I may or may not be there.
Hand
Who
unit.
knows?
Lamp.
I might actually join a
Light
different chat right
bulb?
now.
Okay.
All right, but you have fun on your stream. Maybe I'll come back. Who knows?
Okay. Vase. Vent light. Vent cover. What does that say? Wall. Okay. What's that? Wall shelf? That. And then I have shelf. Shock panel. Humans extinction before Claustro. Maybe. Pressure tank. Spotlight. Oh, this is... Picture frame. Poster. Puzzle panel. Security camera. Okay. Small vent cover. Speaker. That. Trash can. Ceiling wires. I'm not checking it right now. I do use AI to teach me stuff. I'm not using it to make anything for me. AI is really good at teaching me how to learn netcode, but then I code myself because I'm not using AI to. It is counterproductive because then you don't learn anything and you don't know how your stuff works, and if it fails, like everything does, then you're not going to know how to fix it, and it gets really bad. It would delay my game by even longer if I were to do that, and it's immoral. I think you should use an AI tool to make jolly, Subhan Yasser Afton. I think it'd work. Locker. Monitor. Ceiling. Decorations. I got it all. FNAF 4. That one. Freddy hat. These guys should be in a character folder. Freddy hat. Little Joe. Magician. Man, what's his name? We name this characters. I'm not sure. Okay. I'm not clicking that clip right now. Discord server in 1 minute. Okay. Thank you guys for watching the live stream. I'm gonna end the live stream in like 5 seconds. That's a lie. I'm going to go to my Discord server, and I'm going to go to the voice chat now. I'm losing my voice.